Hey guys, it's your girl Coco coming to you with another video, and in this video I'll be talking to you about my new luxury purchase. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coco if you are new here, and if you are returning, thank you so much for supporting me and thank you so much for watching this video today. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell in the corner there. Hit it right there in the corner, or is it on this side? Just so you're updated with new content that I upload and you'll never miss a beat. So moving on I should say, to the video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my purchase. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. So as you guys know, we are getting closer to summertime and it is close to sandal weather and I can't wait. So I live in Canada and you know, we're seasonal. Some people don't, you know, it's summertime all around, but I'm in Canada, so we get like 3 months of like good weather and then it turns back into cold weather. So I had to make this purchase because I really liked these shoes. So I saw them, I thought about them, and when I think about something and I keep thinking about it, that means I should get it. So this wasn't just like a bought it off a whim type of thing. This was, I thought about it and I thought about it and I thought about it some more, and then I purchased it because this wasn't cheap for me. So without further ado, this is when you open the box, this is what is inside. Each of the sandals come in their own dust bag. So opening it up, this is the sandal. So I got this cute bath sandal in the signature Louis print. So currently right now the black color, so the one that I got, which is this one, is out of stock, but for Canada. It's out of stock in Canada online. The shoe retails for $6.95, and so plus taxes in Canada, which is 13%, I end up paying $735, rounded to 736. You know, 735 and change. So $736. Also, so this is, they consider it to be like a cruise 2017 shoe, whatever that means. I guess it was shown in their 2017 runway. So it is black, obviously. There's shiny rubber. It's monogram canvas. Also, it was made in Italy. I don't think that really matters, but yeah, this is it. I totally love it. It looks pretty on my foot. And another thing, this strap is adjustable, so you can take it in. There's 3 buttons or 3 holes or whatever, so you can take it in or you can release it. So when I got it was on the first hole, which was too tight, so I put it in the middle, which is just right. These are comfortable. I haven't worn them yet, but just taking a walk around in the house, it is comfortable for me. So I am a true 8.5 women's, and I had to get this shoe in a size 40 European. So 40 European is, I believe it's a size 10. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, I'm going to put it right here, but I think a size 40 is a size 10. This shoe goes up to size 41. So if your foot's a little bit bigger than mine, in Canada, that is the biggest size that you'll get. I don't know if it's any different on the US site, because the US site has things that Canada doesn't have. So not sure if it differs. But yeah, this is my purchase. I'm so happy about this purchase. They're cute. They're so cute. You can dress these up, you can dress them down. I don't think I'll be wearing them around the pool because I spent $735 for these. I'm not prancing around the pool, but if I'm going to sunbathe around the pool, then these would be the shoe. But I bought this to match my Neverfull bag that I have, and I don't even bring that out all the time, so this is like a combo that I'm splashing on you hoes. I'm splashing on you for this day. So that's why I got these, and they were affordable in comparison to the rest of the shoes that they have. So I'm not saying that these are affordable shoes. What I'm saying is these were more affordable than the other shoes that they can provide, or that they're providing. So like I mentioned before, I have not worn these outside yet, but I know with my Neverfull canvas bag, when you have lotion or anything type of like oily on your hands, it transfers onto the bag, and then the bag, I think it's called patines, like it changes the color. It gets it's not as brown as it used to be. It might be a dirtier brown or a darker brown, however you want to say it. So I'm not sure if this is going to be the same. I hope not, because I'd like for it to stay how I bought it, right? So this is rubbery, and this doesn't hurt. So again, this part is it's not leather, so like can't see, but it's rubber. This is canvas, this is rubber, this is rubber, rubber, rubber. So it's comfortable, but it's rubber. So if you have any, like if you have any sensitivity to like wearing rubber, and it doesn't, it's not like a real supportive shoe. Like, it's a good shoe. Obviously you're paying quite a bit of money for this, but it's not something that, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like the best supportive shoe if you're having ankle problems. It's not like that. And it's a slide, it's not a flip-flop, so it doesn't, you know that flip-flop sound? It doesn't make that sound. It's on your foot as long as you adjust the straps, you know? So this was just a quick video on my new luxury purchase. If you are not subscribed already, please do so, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated when I drop new content. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Hope you become part of the family, and I'll see you in the next video.